Hey guys, this is Mr. H, going to do another video from the packet. This is page number 10. This is slope-intercept form and basically taking a equation that's in slope-intercept form and then graphing the line, or vice versa. If they give us a line, being able to come up with the slope and the y-intercept. So let's see, they've given us a couple examples. And what I want to do is I want you to pay attention. You got to be able to find the slope. We did this before in one of the earlier videos, but I'm going to look at this one here. So first thing, remember, we're going to do rise over run to find the slope. So now this dot should be literally up here. So I'm moving it up, but I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went down 4, and then I'm going to run 1. So the slope for this line is a -4 over 1, which is a -4. Now, the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So it literally crosses here. So the y-intercept is +2. So once you know the slope and the y-intercept, you can put those two together. It's going to be a -4x plus 2. Boom, done. That's the equation. So now let's look at some of these questions. All right, so let's see here. Which one am I going to do? I'm going to do this one right here. Number 2. It says the slope is 6 and the y-intercept is a -3. Now, I'm going to change this up a little bit so that you guys can see this. We're always going to start with the y-intercept, but I like to call this the beginning. B stands for beginning. So that's where the graph starts. And M is the slope, but it's telling us how to move from the beginning. All right. And so here's what I mean. So very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where B is equal to a -3. So that's where we're going to begin. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3. So here's my point right here. That's the beginning of my graph. Now I'm going to use the slope. Now, and I'm going to do rise over run. Now, so the slope is 6, which is the same thing as 6 over 1. So that means I'm going to rise 6 and I'm going to run 1. So watch what I do. I'm going to go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to run 1. Boom. So that means my new point is going to be right here. Now that I have 2 points, I can draw a line through those 2 points. Well, let's see if I can do a little better than that. I can draw a line through those 2 points. That's not good either. One more time. Draw a line through those 2 points. Okay, I'll just leave it there. And that's the line, and that's the line that has a y-intercept of a -3 and a slope of 6. Yep, that's it. So let me do one of these. I'm going to do number 5. So this one, they gave us the equation. They said y equals 3/4 x minus 1. So hopefully you know by now that the slope is just the coefficient of the x. So it's going to be 3/4. And the y-intercept is the constant. So that's a -1. So b equals a -1. So we're going to just do the same thing we did before. We're going to begin with the y-intercept, which is here, -1. And then we're going to use the slope to determine how to move. So the slope is a +3/4. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to run 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And my new point is going to be here. So I've got 2 points. And so I can draw the best line that I can through those 2 points, put some arrows on it, and there we go. That's the line. That's the line that has a y-intercept of a -1 with a slope of 3/4. Boom, done. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else I want to do here? Is this one worth doing? Well, I think that's it. Well, I'll do one more from here. I'll do one more from here. I'll do 8. So 8 is, it has a slope. So the slope is a -4. And Since there's no number, no constant, we would say the y-intercept is 0. So this is the proportional graph. It's linear, but it's going through the origin. So I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to put a dot there, big dot. And then this is telling me my slope is a -4. So let me move this out of the way a little bit. So that means my slope is literally a -4/1. So I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to run 1. Boom. And that's where my new point goes. So boom, I put a point here. And then I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to try to draw the best line I can. Let me try that one more time, see if I can improve a little bit on that. There you go. All right, so there's the line. Has a negative slope, so you can see it's decreasing. It goes to the origin and it's going down. It's going down 4 and then over 1. All right, so there you go. I hope this has been helpful. This is a really important skill when you're graphing. Now we can always use the trusty calculator. We could go to our graph. Let me go here. Let me get rid of this table, Control T, boom, boom. Let me get rid of this, menu 14, boom, boom. And then we could always just enter this. So if I go here and I put in a -4x, boom, boom, boom. And let me put the menu 223, 223, put the graph. So you can see it's going down, it's going through the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. You can see it's going through the corner here. So that's basically what we have on our graph right here. So that's the graph. You should be able to do it without the calculator, but if you need the calculator, you can use it. All right, I'm gonna stop, post it.